we did a breakthrough in England a long time ago, and we went around and this was one of the challenges, was that every patient who's had a heart attack needs to have an aspirin. Now for me that's simple, and I suspect many of the changes you're working on are complex and difficult, and more than one thing. But when we did the baseline data, all of you policy improvers know about that, we did the baseline. When we did the baseline, the range of the number of patients by different primary care practitioners was between 20% and 45% got the aspirin. And this is after 20 years of it being simple, known, easy. So you think to yourself, well, why? I was worried about that. Anyway, we did an 18-month project, because all projects in healthcare need to be 18 months. I'm now working on let's do within 30 days and 90 days, because I don't know if I'll be alive in 18 months, so let's just go get on with it. So we did the project and it went up to 85%. But I'd like you to think about this question of why it takes so long. Now, I've been talking about this example for probably 5 or 6 years. And what I've learned through a lot of my research and a lot of case studies and a lot of looking at what's happened is it seems to be about 20 to 25 years for almost any innovation to take off. Okay, this is the depressive version. You can feel better in a minute. And it's a generation. Whether it's a telephone, television, anybody here, I had the cell phone that was like a brick, with a brick battery you had to carry separate. When I was on call working in the oil industry, you could put the brick in your shopping basket when you went shopping. I'm really embarrassed if it rang. Now, things take a while. So I would like to present to you that maybe the challenge is not how to do it, but it's actually about we need to do it quicker. And that's part of my premise with the book that you have there. We can, perhaps with our good practice, just leave it, and eventually the good things will be adopted. But can't we get them adopted in 3 years, 5 years, 8 years? So have that in mind. And maybe when you're in your project teams and your groups, you can think about it's not a matter of when, it's a matter of how quickly.